I have really sensitive skin and I have really bad, terrible skin. My skin is acne prone, it's dry, it's flaky, sometimes it's oily, and I use all natural facials. I've just been using it for 2 weeks, but I really do see an improvement. If you want to know how I do my facial, stick around because I've got everything on video for you. It's all natural and things that you get from your kitchen, so it's not harmful. It's very, very beneficial to your skin. The first step in this facial would be an exfoliating scrub. So here I'm just using a little bit of sugar and some raw honey. It does smell kind of weird because this honey isn't processed. It's better for the skin. Honey is a natural antioxidant, and it also helps with inflammation and to prevent acne. The sugar will open up your pores, get rid of dry, flaky skin and blackheads. You want to combine the two really well so that it becomes like a sticky blob. Next is our turmeric mask. You'll need some turmeric powder and some milk. Oat milk works really well for acne and eczema, but I didn't have any oats, so I used normal milk. You want to mix this and make it into a paste, a thick paste, though you don't want it too runny, so you measure accordingly. Turmeric helps with inflammation. It has antibacterial properties, so you know that any infections with regards to your pimples will go away. It also helps clear up dark marks, dark circles. It helps with eczema if you do have eczema. It's got a lot of healing properties, so you can count on it to help your skin. And that's my paste. The last mask that I'm using would be a coconut oil and rose water mask. Coconut oil helps to moisturize the skin. It's also filled with fatty acids which help rejuvenate the skin as well. Rose water helps with redness, skin pigmentation, um, puffiness. It's also anti-aging. It's got a lot of properties. You want to combine that and freeze it. Put your hair up if you don't want to wash it after your facial because it can get a little bit messy. Okay, you start off using your normal face cleanser or face wash. You want to wash it for at least 30 seconds. Make sure you get every area properly so that we are cleansing the oils out of our skin. Once washed and dry, we can start with our exfoliating scrub. Now, you can do this on wet skin, so don't stress. If you want to do it on wet skin, it's fine. You're going to rub and massage it gently onto your skin. I am an animal, so I did it very roughly, but you want to do it gently so that it works with removing your blackheads and any pimples that you may have, and also to get rid of that dry and flaky skin. Cleanses your pores really well. Okay, some people like to start at the top and go down, but I started at the bottom and went up my face for some reason. You want to wash it off really well because it is sticky. Remember, this is sugar and honey, so it's a little difficult to wash off. After the exfoliation, you will see a difference with the brightness and the pimples and blackheads on your face. Next, we go in with our turmeric mask. Who needs a spatula when you have the back of a spoon? Really. You want to apply that all over your face. Remember to do this over a basin. Well, everything really, because it gets a little bit messy and you want your carpets in the house to stay clean. So do it over a basin. If anything falls, you know that you will not be responsible for cleaning the carpets and things up. You can just wash it off. You want to keep that on until it's dry. I didn't, obviously. I just kept it on for about 3 minutes. It wasn't dry, but I decided to wash it off. Make sure you're using an old towel or washcloth because it can get yellow and turmeric stains. So either use a dark colored cloth or an old one that you don't mind getting colored. Your skin may look a little bit yellow, but don't stress about it. I like to freeze my coconut oil and rose water so that way I skip a step, which was icing my face. Instead, I applied the frozen rose water and coconut oil directly onto my face afterwards. Icing helps with the aging of your skin, inflammation, and also it helps replenish the cells because it helps with blood circulation. So icing is really, really good. You can do it once or twice a week. It can be a little bit time consuming, but it's worth it. You keep that on for about 5 minutes. Thereafter, you wipe it off, and you'll notice that the yellow from the turmeric mask comes off as well. So you won't be going with the yellow face to work tomorrow. Once that is done, you can finish up with the moisturizer or your nighttime skin routine. I like to use jojoba oil because it gives me a nice supple finish. It makes my skin super soft and I just love it for the properties and stuff. You can read it up. It's really good for your skin because it's the same texture as the oil in your skin. Okay, and there you have it. I have really dark circles under my eyes and I didn't do anything about it in this video. Maybe I'll try in the next one and show you guys how I get rid of it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you my face in the sun because there has been a big improvement. As you can see, I still got some big pimples there, but the ones on my chin are gone and the marks I almost contour. But I think it's a good thing. So